What's going on, my Pyrians and Talons, and welcome back to BONELAB. Been a while since I've actually talked during one of these videos. Been a while since I've actually recorded one. Anyway, as you can see, I got a new avatar. It's the Doomslayer from Doom Eternal. Well, this one's from 2016, but same difference. On this side of the wall, I got something. You've seen them before in my power loader and miniguns versus zombies. I got a little surprise for them. So I've already got a couple things, but I'm gonna go ahead and spawn in a couple others, such as this stupidity. Dear Lord. Alright, so this thing shoots vine booms. Yeah, that's gonna get their attention. Go in. And you know, this thing's really powerful. Alright, anyway, let's deal with these guys. Whoops. That was not my intent. How are you still alive, my friend? Here. Allow me to help. Still alive? Nope. No, he's not. Well, let's go ahead and get rid of these. You spawn in the Spartan laser, actually. Mods. M6V. This will get rid of them easily. My aim is terrible. Get over this thing, bro. It's so good. I even did a little bit of the campaign with it. Takes forever to charge, but hell, it's worth it. It's just about all of them. I said just about, because I know. Any more left over here? Nope. Alright. Favorites. Now on to the main show. There's a reason I decided to go as this avatar. Yes, Doom Shotgun. Which has the combat shotgun and the Doom Eternal, this one, super shotgun. Hey. Follow me. This way. Yes, follow. Away from them, so that way they can't hear me absolutely destroy you. And none of them heard that at all. Otherwise they have died. I don't know which one it is, so I'm just gonna... show you guys the internal version of the combat shotgun in a minute. Let's just clean these guys up first. And where are you? Thank you. So yeah, there's that. Go ahead, put you nice there. Really enjoy it. Let's see. Mods. Combat shotgun. And super shotgun. I've used a lightsaber yet, so why not? Christ, this thing's apparently really giddy. Wasn't like this earlier, but whatever. It's only got one shot. I'm not using this. Why can't I? This isn't working. What's up, try? Ah, whatever. It works, trust me. Right, anyway. I'm just distracting you guys from the main course. Thundergun from zombies. Up it goes, down it comes. You only lost a leg to that? I was about to say, all of the sounds just got quiet for something. Anyway. Oh dear lord. Ew. What about you? Alright. Go back to the other side and see what happened. Yeah, there's a lot of corpses there. Down it comes and splat. Yeah, I had a... hold on. Do I have anything? Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and get a, let's do this one. See, this one will work better. See? Okay, alright, whatever. There we go. Alright. Thundergun time again, because this thing's awesome. I wonder what they're doing. There they are. Don't mind that. I didn't hear a splat. How is this thing so resilient? Just die! Where's my gun? Nimbus! Gone. Wait, hold up. I saw the shotgun. Hold up. I'll be right back. Can't get over this. This is so cool. Fun. Box, come to my hand. Alright. Get more early exits. Get out the thundergun. And wish them good night. Powerful weapon in the game, hands down. Actually, wait, no, you're still good for one. No, you're not. Oh. I sent the Spartan laser into the fucking ground. Holy shit. Hold on, wait. Since this tree is movable... its real opponent is NPCs, apparently. The Nimbus. Is the Nimbus even around here? Is it just gone? I think it's just gone. Alright. What are you stuck on? Oh yeah. Definitely works on vehicles too. Don't mind the giant blood splatter. Testing these out on some people that are, well, red-blooded instead of Devora. Once again, here I am making Mortal Kombat references. Pow. Fucking gone. No. This makes me wonder. Let's get one of you in here. What does this do to you? Sorry, it's just open. Oh dear lord, I stretched out his legs. It's the popping noise. Alright, anyway. Back to my favorite. You don't have a clip in you, do you? Nope. Bro, I don't even need to fire it for it to be deadly. Come here. Okay, that worked. Oh my lord. He should be thanking me. I saved him suffering. Can't get over this thundergun though. Oh, and this too. How am I facing? Alright. Making sure I'm not destroying anything in my room. They just liquefy, and that's it. Well then. I guess that is all for now. Oh wait, no, that's not all. I've got Atom Smasher. Come on. There you go. Let's test out Atom Smasher on a giveable zombie. Powerful. What about his gun? Powerful. What about single fire? Powerful. What about other gun? Powerful. No, motherfucker. What about his rocket launcher? Do I need to say anything else? Left nothing of the guy. Pop. Pop. Could have sworn this guy was not this powerful, but fuck it. Oh wait, you guys want to see me do the Kano fatality from Mortal Kombat 11? Done. Jesus Christ. You know what? 7 of these guys versus me. Here, let me go ahead and get their attention. And combat only. I can use environment to kill, by the way. There we go. Makes it easier to destroy every little piece. Yes, yes, I know you're still alive. Oh well. I got a special finisher for that guy. Geronimo! I missed. Whatever. Christ almighty, these things are weak. Still alive. Nope. Alright. Sorry guys, my face itches. This headset really just... eh. I am destroying them so hard, they are literally missing their textures. Okay. No. That was not my intent. Forgive me. No, no. Hold still, for the love of God. Bro, why are you so weak? This avatar is too strong. What else do I have? Strike, why not? Okay, what is going on? Fuck it, Reaper. Red Reaper. Awesome. Yeah, definitely. I don't want that. Definitely a lot weaker. Alright, anyway. No, give it back. Calling a day's work. You guys want some glass breaking? Let's just go get some roll. For this, Adam smash. Smash the glass. Hey. Okay, these guys are proving a little bit more scary. Why are you sturdy? Okay, so then that just proved everything. The zombies are weak. Give me this table, bro. Anyone order a table? How the fuck? Land. Land correctly. Where the hell are you? That's not correctly. Hold on, wait. Let me, land correctly. You wanna be this way, bitch? Fine. There you go, you landed correctly. Give me this. Tasty bullets. I think I've got enough though. I don't even know how much I just put into the fucking thing, but let's see. Yeah, that's about right. Oh shit, my shotgun. Why can't I grab the shotgun? Shotgun? Please, no. Shotgun! Whatever. I could just always spawn a new one. Anyway, I think that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Just wanted to decimate everything. And I definitely did that. Well, see y'all later, I guess. I don't know at this point, bro. Whatever. I'll see you guys later. Peace.